Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marinara sauce out of tomato sauce. Start by heating olive oil in a pan and gently sautéing minced garlic and onion until translucent. Then add tomato sauce plus a can of crushed tomatoes for body, stir in dried oregano and basil. Season with salt and a pinch of sugar, and simmer gently so flavors meld and the sauce thickens, stirring occasionally. Warm and conversational, let the garlic and onion get a little color but not burn, then sprinkle herbs into the oil to bloom their flavor, which gives the sauce a more rounded aroma. Taste as you cook and adjust salt and a small pinch of sugar to tame acid. If you like heat, add a few red pepper flakes early so the spice infuses the sauce evenly and gently. Keep the sauce at a gentle simmer so it reduces and concentrates without burning, stirring now and then to prevent sticking. If the texture feels too chunky, mash some pieces with a spoon or use an immersion blender briefly for smoothness. Just before serving, tear in fresh basil leaves for brightness and swirl in a small knob of butter off the heat for a silky sheen and rounded mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.